Let us know about 2020 Bihar Legislative Assembly election. The Bihar, this information is taken from Wikipedia. The Bihar Legislative Assembly election will be held to elect members to the Legislative Assembly of the Indian state of Bihar, and the election will be held in 3 phases for a total of 243 seats. 243 seats. And the first for 71 seats on 28 October जो हो गया, and the second for 94 seats on 3rd November की भी हो गया है, and the third for the remaining 78 will be on held on जो कल है 7 नवंबर 2020, and result will be announced on 10 November 2020. So this was means all 243 seats in the Bihar Legislative Assembly and 122 seats needed for a majority. Background जान लेते हैं. Outlined in Article 168 of the Constitution of India, the Bihar Legislative Assembly is the lower house of the bicameral legislature of Bihar and not a permanent body and subject to dissolution. The tenure of the Legislative Assembly is 5 years from the date appointed for its first sitting unless dissolved sooner. Members of the Legislative Assembly are directly elected by the people. The tenure of current Bihar Legislative Assembly is scheduled to end on 29 November 2020. In the previous election, an alliance of 3 major parties consisting of Janata Dal, Rashtriya Janata Dal and Indian National Congress, named as Mahagathbandhan, won against its primary opposition, and the Bharatiya Janata Party led National Democratic Alliance. However, in 2017, the Janata Dal of Chief Minister Nitish Kumar left the Mahagathbandhan and joined the National Democratic Alliance. While Nitish Kumar remained the Chief Minister, Sushil Kumar Modi of the Bharatiya Janata Party replaced Tejasvi Yadav as the Deputy Chief Minister. And there is an ongoing huge anti-incumbency wave against the incumbent Chief Minister Nitish Kumar due to his 15 years long rule and supposedly poor handling of the COVID-19 induced lockdown and reverse migration of laborers from different parts of the country like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Telangana, Punjab, Haryana. The issues of this election revolve around giving employment to these Bihari migrant workers and improving the avenues towards industry and education. The next major party, being RJD in Bihar, is riding on its anti-incumbency wave and poor governance wave. तो ये था कि इसमें कितने सीटें हैं, तो 200 मीन्स टोटल 243 सीट्स एंड मेजोरिटी के लिए चाहिए 122. तो ये बात हो गई. और आज के हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर में इसका टॉपिक है जो पढ़ना ज़रूरी है. तो हिंदी में जो लिखा था, बिहार का चुनाव जो अपनी अमूर्त राजनीतिक ऊर्जा, समीकरण और रुझानों के लिए जाना जाता है, जो भारत के राजनीतिक आकाश को आधार देता है. ये है टॉपिक, पॉलिटिकल टेक अवे फ्रॉम बिहार कैंपेन. तो इससे जो क्वेश्चन जो बनकर आ रहा है, तेजस्वी यादव की रणनीति एवं सामाजिक न्याय की अवधारणा का उभार क्या है, जो बीपीएससी के हिसाब से बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है. इसका रोल क्या हो रहा है, तेजस्वी यादव की रणनीति क्या है और इसमें सामाजिक न्याय क्या होने वाली है. तो इस पर एक ऐसे आपको जो लगता है, इस पे जो अपना कमेंट कीजिए, कमेंट सेक्शन पर बताइए कि तेजस्वी यादव की रणनीति एवं सामाजिक न्याय की अवधारणा का उभार क्या है. धन्यवाद.